Let's dive into the Work Dashboard of Paradigm's Radar Suite. This tool provides valuable insights into the productivity of your team by tracking pull requests, commits, and individual contributions. The dashboard is split into two sections: pull requests and commits. We'll begin with the pull request section. The Total Pull Request Merges chart displays the total number of pull requests merged over a chosen time period. This serves as a gauge of the team's output, revealing trends in development speed and collaborative efficiency. Next, the Weekly Average Pull Request Size chart showcases the total number of pull requests merged over the selected period. This also acts as a measure of team output, indicating development velocity trends. The Weekly Average Pull Request Cycle Time measures the time from creation to merge. This is an indicator of review efficiency. A short time suggests a smooth process, while longer times may indicate potential delays. The Weekly Average Number of File Changes per Pull Request tracks the average files changed per pull request. This balance updates scope, making reviews more efficient and reducing oversight risks. Lastly, the Weekly Net Code Changes in Production chart visualizes net additions and deletions each week. This reveals code churn and highlights major releases, refactoring, or iterative development. Now, let's move to the Commits tab of the Work Dashboard. The total number of bug fixes and total number of feature commits charts help you understand your development focus. This aids in prioritizing features or maintenance based on needs. Below that, the commit count by type breaks down commits into feature and bug fix categories. This clarifies resource allocation and whether to emphasize new features or maintenance. The Weekly Commits by Type tracks trends in feature and bug fix commits. This highlights development patterns and productivity shifts, reflecting project phases and sprints. Below that, the top 10 files with most contributions highlights frequently updated files. This can help identify potential technical debt or core areas that may require more attention in maintenance. Lastly, the top 10 files with most bug fix contributions shows files with the highest number of bug fixes. This pinpoints areas prone to errors, suggesting where refactoring or testing improvements are needed. With both tabs in the dashboard, you can select your desired date range, and the charts will update accordingly.